Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We're here at my second hotel of my 3-day trip here in Nashville, Tennessee. Last night it was at the Graduate Hotel. That place was pretty cool. And yeah, now I'm checked in here at the Canopy downtown Gulch, I think it's called, down here in Nashville. And yes, this hotel room key card is made out of wood. Interesting touch. Sorry, so start here. This is a standard room with a king bed with a city view. This place is newly built too, so that's cool. All right. Security stuff good. Mayor, what's up, guys? So we got our little area here for your luggage. We got our safe. We got a steamer. More storage. Soft closing furniture. Good. Okay. Right here, they give you this giant bottle of sparkling water at check-in, and they got a fancy water machine. They take the fancy water machine. They have a fancy, sorry guys, long day. They have a fancy water machine outside that gives you alkaline water, sparkling water, a whole bunch of different kinds of water to refill this. You got an espresso maker, free charge. So that's cool. Whoa, we got more stuff. Okay, then none of this was here. Looks like a mini bar with some patches, a tech kit, clean your phone, lip balm, a bar, cookie, some sparkling water, some popcorn, some chips. Here's the prices for all that stuff there. I'm not going to be touching that. We got beef jerky. How much is the beef jerky? Probably expensive. Anyways. Whoa. Okay. We got a full mini bar right here. This is what this is. So it makes me think. Are these Nespresso pods actually free? Well, here's where we are right here. Let's see. Coke, $6. Not as same as the Vegas minibar prices. Espresso cookie. Oh well. It looks like the espresso pods are free. So that's good. Don't know how to use this thing, but we'll try it out. We got these nice robes here. Alright, here's the bathroom. Alright, got this little section, everything's on motion sensors here. Got this nice little divider for your toilet. Here's a brand. It's a nice modern looking one. Let's get the cash. Nice. The sink. Vanity. Got this nice big shower here. Little sitting area, your towel, and they give you a scrub thing, a loofah, I think that thing is called. We got us a rainfall shower head and another shower head, shower wand. Here's our bath amenities. Look forward to trying those out. Gross. a used bar of soap with a hair on it. Okay, that's not great. But yeah. Here's another pan of the bathroom. Okay. Here's another pan of this area right here. Cool. We got this cool fake looking metal door for your bedroom area. Phone stuff here. Same kind of central unit that they have. Lighting. Let's go do a little quick bed test. Oh yeah. This is a nice new memory foam bed. Nice and soft. A lot less, more soft than a graduate bed. So that's gonna be nice to sleep on. Cups, ice maker, ice bucket I meant. Nice desk, nice size TV. Cool arts. Okay. Got a nice chair here. Cool. Got our lamp. Got these nice floor to ceiling windows, all that. This is our city view. Dirty window, but right across there, right where I'm pointing, that's Bridgestone Arena. So you're closer to where I was yesterday. To Broadway and Bridgestone and all that. I believe that's right there. Where I'm zooming, where is it? Sorry, unorganized video, but somewhere in that area is that Holiday Inn, 4th Avenue. I stayed there 2 times, and I have a room tour video of that Holiday Inn. It's right there. So we're pretty close to downtown. Closer, there's a Drury and the Margaritaville over there. I know exactly where we are. So, anyways, get another panda room. Yeah. This will run you 500 and some change. Don't know exactly, 550 bucks. Something like that. And yeah. And I paid 60 with my employee rate. So other than that hair with the soap and the shower, everything's clean and yeah. So if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and KW out.